Hey everyone, it's Coach Glosser. Hope you guys are doing well and you're enjoying a little extra time with your families. This is the first week of what will hopefully be temporary online learning. So I know it may be a little bit difficult and take some time to get adjusted, but I know you guys can do it and you're going to be successful even though you're not sitting in an actual classroom. I'm going to be doing a video for you each week to let you know what you guys are going to be doing for my class. We will try to make it as easy as possible for you, but also try and keep it as similar as we can to what you would be doing if we were actually in tech class. So your classroom teacher should have a web page that you're going to be getting access to find all your work. There will be another page or a link on there for your elective classes, and that's where you're going to find these videos and also a form that you're going to have to fill out each week. That's going to have a few options for you guys for spending some time doing tech like we would do in class, whether it be ABC, YA, typing.com, adventurebible.com, just some of the sites that we spend some time on during class. So make sure that you guys see that each week. Make sure that once you finish your tech activity for the week that you complete the form and submit that. That's how you guys are going to get credit for your elective, your tech class that you guys would normally do during the week. So if you have any questions, please email me. Reach out to your classroom teacher. One of us will be able to help you if you're having troubles. Hope you guys are doing well. Again, I miss you guys. Be thinking about you guys, praying for you guys, and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Have a good one. Bye.